Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to efficiently organize and locate your photos within OneDrive in under 5 minutes. This is a very simple process, and by the end, your entire image library will be perfectly structured and easy to navigate. Let's get started immediately. Your first step is to sign into your Microsoft account. Navigate to the official Microsoft login page and enter your username and password. If you haven't registered yet, you can quickly set up a new account by following the prompts provided on that page. After logging in, you will be directed to your primary Microsoft dashboard. To reach OneDrive, click on the app launcher icon, which looks like a square made of 9 dots in the upper left-hand corner. This serves as your central hub for all Microsoft applications. From this menu, select OneDrive. Once the page loads, you will see your storage area and existing files. For this specific tutorial, we are focusing on your pictures, so go ahead and click on the Photos option. This area gathers every image stored in your OneDrive into a single, streamlined view. To find a particular photo, utilize the search bar located at the very top of the interface. This feature is incredibly helpful for those with extensive libraries who need to find a specific file quickly. Just type in a keyword related to the image, and OneDrive will handle the search for you. Now, let's look at organizing your collection. You can do this by setting up albums to categorize your media. Start by clicking on the Albums tab. Here, you can view your current collections or generate new ones. To begin, click Create a New Album. You will be asked to provide a name. Choose something descriptive so you can identify it easily later on. After naming it, click Add Photos and select the specific images you wish to include. You can pick as many as you like or just a few to start. Once you have made your choices, click Create Album to finish the process. While done, you have successfully organized a set of photos. You can repeat these exact steps for other sets of images to keep everything neat and accessible. This is a highly effective way to manage your digital memories. Whether you are a casual user or a frequent photographer, these steps will help bring order to your digital files.